biya kamal ka Nuer online TV channel ke jan gwasame bana rajan shalat Michael makuei bana jalinkel rajan shalat ka duoba danen jan warga cha gote warga mi cha gor jene warga cha gor ka gwade shang me jogo nanu Sudan sa Sudanese unkan lel ka Sudan ne jene warga mo ka jan warga mo fake kan warga mi chirna mo kana gor entem rai chalat gwasame chana jaling ko cha raj mu gwa ba che lat gwaz me ka ki ku mu ka so Sudan ka do badana de kan do ba cha so Sudan ni sha ne ka je do badana de kan kamrar ka je chana jawre chana linkel ka do badana chi raj mu che ben ka je
but there had been lot of there is something called Juba TV which gave a statement that I had stated blah blah, all that was said, and this was denounced by my office. I thank them for that, and I'm here coming to affirm also the statement which was issued by the office that I did not say such a thing, and it was a fake story concocted by enemies of Michael makuei and enemies of the government of South Sudan, and that thing was a fake story. On the other hand, on the issues of on all these things that happened took place in nɛɛni. I passed my condolences, heartfelt condolences to the families of the victims. As stated by His Excellency the President, the position of the government of South Sudan is very clear that we are here to make sure that everything takes its course and that law and order must take its course, and investigation should be conducted so that we know exactly what happened in nɛɛni. Our position is very clear, and as such I add my voice to His Excellency the President and call upon all the citizens of South Sudan to tolerate and bear with us so that we can actually investigate and come out with the final result. The result will not be secret, it will be announced to you and you will know it. So we should not try to push ourselves into a situation which will even jeopardize our case, and as such let us be patient and give chance for law and order to take its course. My message to the people, to the Sudanese who are here in South Sudan, they should not fear. They are in safe hands, and if there was anything, they would have been finished off all this time, and our people have listened to the voice of wisdom, so they should not fear. They should open up their businesses and continue with them, because they are under full protection of the government of South Sudan. They are our guests, and if they are our guests, it is our duty to protect them as they are under protection at present. We will not do the same thing that happened over there. When the RSF started its task, when it started, there were no even Southerners in it. That is one. Number two, any South Sudanese who are anywhere in the world, these are individuals who decided to go that way. And this cannot be taken to be the policy of the government of South Sudan or the people of South Sudan for that matter. So all that is being said is not true, and anybody who is opposed to the decision of the President of the Republic of Sudan, that will be handled by the government of Sudan, not by us. But all that we are after is that the committee which took oath, we encourage it to take up the investigation thoroughly and in good faith, transparently, so that we know exactly what happened. I would have even proposed that we have a South Sudanese in that committee, so that the people of South Sudan are assured of what they are doing. My message to the security agencies who have been all the time standing with their government and standing with the people of South Sudan and standing with our guests who are here in South Sudan, I say congratulations, because they have done a good job. Without them, things would have been worse, but with their efforts, with their unlimited efforts, they have succeeded, and I wish them every success, and I say congratulations, continue with your task, and the people of South Sudan will appreciate it.
Gwa shirka mishaling Michael makuei lueth jen speech dana jetop chalar no kum South Sudan teko betin kon tin chalat kine de kon shana ka kum Sudan no be ta dan nak ka be jangaki be jagor ka kum Sudan man je kula lar long jani ne dialo kon te ka South Sudan shwar mabukuma dan ba jelo ku der ka ja shwa jalet no jen mun ta machine bon jine realaka ka jen kum Sudan ke la kum Sudan che wona machi la la dien be kane ken be kana kap ke be kan ngor kalal ba ne nung report ka mandana chi to re wujin winimi duno shwa mi shoda lon mo dongde ne nangre rika ke do ba dan dongde ko lo ku der ka ja bana ta dana chine kon chi yedi ni jen ka ja bana jala yar kon chelat ani chong na kel shema se chenyo to ba kan de kon la Sudanese ne tintere wich ka juba ke ga Sudan ke leon tel mo dwal yen ka ja tel mo nang yeten ne tin nakana kuma mala kuma Sudan mente pin Abdul Fattah ke nyok che nyo gagbo manana chalat kuma Sudan no ARSF la rapid support force ne din te pin MT no iriudi ne ke South Sudanese ko cha gor no 65% de ka South Sudanese ajeni makuei le ko la no ne me ka che tok mara din chi makuei lat ka tayen ya meda ne shungan to ga ja ajene ne ite ke braj me chala no chalar jaro je dan ka kana lar ngude lar ka je lar che lar no ngumu kana le tongomi chiraj mo che ko ne jene na mo ka ramadan lar raje mo jen ponde gwanter kuma South Sudan entel mi jeng de lar ku jamo anyok jen che jazlo ade che kamne den kontin chi ye ken ke chi che man ye ken jere wi ka Sudan ka tadan kiliu ka che jazlo ade mo che kam ka che lar no jazlo ade mi di longo kondial jeno bu kuma South Sudan be mandere long ka lani ka tadan de ni de konen nak ne de to da tar da gor ka je ka de ni konen charik mo cha lat de ka lar men je ga dan ken lat ke de kuma der let ke kwide ka dob dan der ka chunga je shi Michael makuei lo ti raj mo cha lat eneme jena danan gorono de nyoga ye kel men cha lat Michael makuei lo ka ta danan chroy ke je shir men sha link ka jen video ka to English ma en bi ataka mal ban nyoga je mo den chuje paro jeno subscribe kanwar online TV channel ko be ya no ngale tin kon en god yen leng dien ke tin kon lat ko dien re wine tin kon tin ke re wich ka South Sudan ka juba kan wi dial kon den stand dial pin South Sudan en me jenda na god nyoya kel en bi ataka mal bye bye